right up. What is up everyone? Welcome to my vlog. If you haven't been on my channel, I'm Monika. I'm a fitness trainer and a gym manager, and I kind of roll these two as well as teaching Zumba class from time to time. And this channel is all about healthy lifestyle, nutrition, workout, and just like general motivation. So leave me a subscription if you haven't done it already. And yeah, welcome to my vlog from my day off, which is like day off from the office, but I still had clients. I had 6 a.m. slot with Katie, that was our first session, so I kind of didn't film it. And then Linda and Emma, my two regular clients, so I've trained them. And now I'm off to the combat, which is great timing. It's straight after I finish, and then something really fun happening in this afternoon. I'm gonna take you with me, and yeah, let's go!
One eternity later.
You can see I'm not sweaty at all. The reason being is just I didn't get into the class, so somehow my booking didn't come through. And yes, I didn't get it because apparently there's full class at 9:30 on a Friday, and I'm like, because I had like a heat pre-workout stuff which has 200 grams of caffeine in it, and I have all that energy I can't utilize because I didn't get into the class. I'm extremely frustrated, but I'm gonna get some breakfast because actually I didn't have anything since 6. And then I'm gonna pick up Sean because he's finishing with the clients, and actually we're free, so I think we're gonna do like maybe like leg session today. We will see. Yeah, so I'm gonna get something to eat, no harm. I'm disappointed because that's my day off, and I just really wanted to get to body combat because I love the class. Yeah, what can you do? Chill out, get some food, and then maybe I'm gonna be doing it again. Peace! So it's a couple hours later, we had our session at the gym, we did legs with Sean, and now we came to CANARY WHARF to see that Winter Light Festival, which is literally a few days in a month in CANARY WHARF, when you can go around the city with a map and see that all the light installation, which basically looks beautiful. And I really like neons and lights especially, so that's my like really hitting my sweet spot. So we're gonna take a walk, we're gonna see our friends, and probably eat something because it's pretty chilly. Let's go. We're having a nice big walk around the area. It's so windy and so cold, but this installation I think is my favorite. These trees are so cold.